I'm Oscar. You might think you know, but you have no idea. Welcome to my crib. The good life, the way the other half lives. Check it out. I got my 60-inch high-def flat-screen TV with 6 speakers surround, CD, DVD, PlayStation hookup, and an 8-track player for those days when you're feeling just a little old school. Because even a superstar Mac Daddy fish like me has to have the basic necessities.
Yeah, like money.
Come on, Shorties. Why y'all messing with my fantasy?
You so broke, your baloney had no first name.
Oh, that's funny. That's very funny. Hey, Oscar! Oscar, over here! I gotta talk to you! Yeah, I'll be right there. Here you go. Hang on to these.
Oscar, you the fit. Yo, dude.
Yo, Crazy Joe.
Now that you live in that great penthouse, can I be your financial advisor?
Well, that's a billboard, Crazy Joe.
You live in a billboard?
No.
And they call me crazy.
Hey, Oscar, look who came to visit.
No, don't do that. Shouldn't you kids be in school?
Shouldn't you be at work?
Whoa, right back at me, huh? Little smart mouth. Look, I'm on my way. Y'all stay out of trouble, all right? Hey, and clean that stuff up.
See ya.
See ya, Oscar!
I'm already punched in.